Microsoft is disabling its unique drag tray file sharing experience on Windows 11 after feedback from insiders. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. After rolling out the feature to a small number of users some months ago, Microsoft is now scraping the concept. The company wrote, "Based on feedback, we're removing the experience in this build. We're continuing to explore improvements in this area and look forward to sharing more about a future replacement experience in a later update." The drag tray experience was a unique way of sharing files from the File Explorer on Windows 11. It's been in testing for over a year and appeared at the top of the screen whenever a user grabbed a file with their cursor. Users would be able to drag the file to the top of the screen and drop the file into an app to instantly share it. The feature works well on paper, but users online complained, calling it frustrating and annoying. While some users found it useful, most users did not like its implementation and wanted to disable it. Windows 11 already has multiple ways of sharing files. Most users share files by right-clicking on the file in particular and clicking Share. The drag tray was supposed to be a faster and easier way to use alternative. Microsoft hasn't revealed what will replace the drag tray, but said that it's exploring improvements in this area. If you're using Windows 11 with the Insider program, you'll notice the drag tray is gone as of the latest preview builds. If you're running production builds of Windows 11, drag tray is still available, but it's likely only a matter of time before Microsoft removes it from there as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.